Hello everyone, welcome to RMoney. And today in this video, we are going to learn how you can connect your RMoney Demat account with Algo Delta. So Algo Delta is a platform used for copy trading, and many of our clients requested to give you a tutorial how you can connect RMoney with Algo Delta. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, you have to search Algo Delta on Google, then click on the first link. And on the very first page, you will see a login option. Just click on it. So if you're using Algo Delta for the very first time, you need to click on create account and enter a mobile number. And if you have any referral ID, you can fill that out, otherwise leave this option blank. Now mark the checkbox and click on sign up. So now you have to enter an OTP. Here you have to enter a password of your choice. Make sure both the password are same, otherwise it will give you an error. So click on sign up. As you can see that we have successfully logged in the portal, and here you have to complete your profile. Let's do that too. Click on edit. Enter your name, your last name, your age, your state. Select the city and click on update. You can also update your email address as well. Now you need to connect your broker. So click on Demat and click on Add Demat. Add RMoney as your broker. Enter a nickname of your choice. Again, you have to enter your mobile number. Enter your registered email address. And in the duration section, if you wanted to move forward with the paid version, you can do that. Otherwise, you can just select free demo for now. Here you have to enter the RMoney details. In the very first section, you have to enter your RMoney client ID. Here you have to enter API key and secret key. So once you enter your client ID and your API details, click on add. And now you can see that your broker has been successfully added. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, please do comment down below. Until then, happy trading. Bye-bye.